So this is a brief rundown on how to use TradeLocker, the platform that we've just implemented on FundedX. So as you can see over here, we have a live account, which I've already logged into. It's an 100K account. Now, a rundown of how to use this platform and how it actually works. So if you look over here, you might think that we're in TradingView because I mean, it is the TradingView API. It's exactly the same as TradingView. Everything that you've got on TradingView, you will have here. As you can see, I've got a favorites bar, which I've just ticked here as a star. You can do that on TradingView with your time frames, 15 second, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever your time frames you use, you can have that as a favorite too. So you've got all your time frames up there, so you can easily switch between time frames. Perfect, right? So if you want to change your chart, let's say you like a gradient background. Let's say you like it white into black. If you like that for whatever reason, you can change it. Otherwise, you can have it solid. Change it to whatever colors you want. Same with your charts. Like let's say you like green. So you have black and green charts, candles, as you got it there, green. So now you can see that this is exactly TradingView. You can use any of these tools here. You can use indicators as well. You can change the candle types. Really great. Now, when you first log in, you'll probably see the screen that looks more like this. This has got all your pairs here. You can scroll down, lots of different Forex pairs, lots of different cryptos, etc. Now, I have a favorites bar because, as you can see, I trade 2 pairs Euro USD and GBP USD. Now, to access the pairs, let's say you want to trade the Euro, use .pro for the tightest spreads. So .pro is the tightest spread pair. Each other pair or type VAR, Mini has different spreads. So make sure you're choosing .pro if you want the tightest spreads on your pairs. For Euro USD and for GBP USD. Now, to actually trade, and I prefer to have this all the way across here. If you want to switch between your pairs, you can just simply click that next pair. As you can see, just switch from Euro to GBP and now back to Euro. If you want multiple tabs open, I recommend to have the same trade locker. Again, yours will be demo if you're on an account, a demo account, demo.tradelocker.com. If you're on a live funded account, it's going to have live.tradelocker.com. Now, how it's going to work simply is you've got your pairs here. I would open another tab and have, say, if I trade Euro USD and GBP USD, I will just switch between the 2 tabs, just like I would if I was on TradingView anyway. If you have 2 screens, you can have two different instruments on 2 different screens as well. Now, I like to have this all the way across there. And this is, I mean, you can probably tell why. You have a big canvas to work with. And this looks really, really nice. So let's say, for example, I want to trade 1 lot. Let's say I want to buy where price currently is now. So I press buy. That's going to get me in that trade instantly. Now, the first time you enter a trade, it's going to ask you if you want to enable one-click trading. I recommend to have that on because you can get into trades very, very quickly. You can then put a stop loss after. So let's say we've entered here, want a stop loss below this low at 1.09331. So all I would do is head to the bottom here where you can see your positions. Again, you can see pending orders and positions, trades and closed positions. You would double click on stop loss. You would edit that. Let's say we want it at 1.09332. There we go. Confirm that. If I want to put a take profit, I can click this and put a take profit as well. So once I confirm that, my stop loss is set. Now, to manage that trade, I can simply click. Now, one-click trading is great. When you click close position, it's going to automatically close that trade. Full size, right? So don't do that if you want to take partials. If you want to take partials, it's the next one over. As you can see here, it says partial close position. So if you click partial close position, let's say you want to close 0.5 lots out of 1, you would press close after entering 0.5 and you've closed that trade. You can use your TradingView tools just how you normally would. As you can see, customize it, make it your colors, make it how you like, mark out your trading ranges, all sorts of tools like this. It basically has you covered. So really it has everything you need. It essentially just lets you trade without going onto an external screen, without logging into Match Trader, without logging into C Trader, without logging into DX Trade. You have it all on TradingView. It's completely changed the game, this platform. So now, as you can see, we have 0.5 lots running. Let's say I want to close that whole thing now. If you want to set a pending order, as you can see up here, you have market. You would simply go pending. You can see it already puts it on the chart for you. Let's say you want to enter a pending buy order here. Make sure you have buy ticked when you open up this chart. So this box, click this arrow. It's going to open it up. If you have a sell, it's not going to execute because or unless you put the stop, if you put the stop loss here, it will not execute because you can't put a sell order here with a stop loss there. It has to be a buy. Therefore, when you have a buy, you can place a stop loss. Again, in this case, we can't execute the buy because the stop loss is above. But if we put the stop loss below, we can execute that buy. Simple buy order, entry, stop loss, execute, right? Let's say we want to do one lot. Perfect. That order is set. So that pending order has now been submitted. If we want to manage that, close that, whatever, go into here and click close. Cancel pending order, and it's canceled. You'll see your profit and loss floating here too. If you do want to go by market execute and you want to have a stop loss first, simply click here. Let's say, for example, we have our long position. We want to go by market and we want to have a 12 pip stop, right? Which is exactly how it is now. Want to go by market buy with a 12 pip stop. We know we want our stop loss to be 1.09275. So we would have that set already just to protect ourselves in case price spikes down or whatever it might be. Then we simply click buy. Your entry and your stop loss is visible on the chart. As you can see, absolutely perfect. If you want to have a take profit at the top there, say 1.09810, you edit your order down here, take profit, edit 1.09810. Done. It's that easy, right? Pending orders, market orders, complete game changer. Again, manage the trade, close full, close partials. But that's about it. It essentially is TradingView, but you can trade on it. It's a complete game changer. The phone app works just as easily. You can enter a trade on the phone, one-click trading enabled, buy, sell, enter your lots, put your stop loss in. It is crazy. This, in my opinion, is the MetaTrader killer. So I'm super, super excited to see this platform grow and grow. For me, I'll personally only be using TradeLocker because of how good this is. But yeah, guys, glad to show you that. I better close this actually because this is actually a live account, but there we go. We're out. But thanks for tuning in for this video.